Good morning, students.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Excuse, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, Renu, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I'm Parnika. Ma'am, in book many things, but this is because this is my first grade book. But can I take this page?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, is that okay? I have a Fevicum. I don't have a
My
Fevistick.
dear, please stop now. As I told you, no one will discuss about the material they brought in the class. Okay. Good morning, everyone. When I'll instruct you how to do, what to do, then we speak about this. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Once again, good morning to all of you. There will be no good morning.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now, children, as we know in our last class, we have done pie chart. Yes, we have learned about different charts, pictograph, telemarks. Now, this is our last chart. We are going to learn about the bar graph. This is also called bar chart. Please see here. Everyone should attentive here, please. Now, a bar graph or a bar chart when the information is presented in the rectangular bars. For example, if I have collected some information from you all students, right? I will write this. This is my table of the information, name of the students, and this information I'm collecting about how many family members in their family, number of members. So I have called the name of the child, that is Lamha, Nek, Vihan,
Ma'am, ma'am.
Lakshya. Be quiet now. And Samriddhi. These are my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students. I have collected the information that how many number of members are there in their family. One by one, I will call their name and they will tell me. Lamha, please tell me how many members in your family?
Ma'am, and my family, there are 12 members.
12 members. Nick, how many members in your family?
Ma'am, 4.
4 members. Vihan, how many members in your family?
Ma'am, 10.
10 members. Lakshya, how many members in your family?
Seven, eight, nine.
9 members. Okay. Samriddhi, how many members in your family? Mic is off. 7. Okay. Now this is the information which I collected and I wrote it in the table form. This is table form. Now the same information I want to show it into the bar chart, bar graph. When a bar graph is a chart with rectangular bars to represent the data, in a bar graph, data is represented in a number of bars. Wait a minute, how bars and what are bars, how to arrange them, that is my next topic. When we represent the data into the bar graph, the two intersecting lines are necessary. Like first is, this is called the sleeping line. This is called the horizontal line. This is called the horizontal line.
Horizontal.
And this is called the vertical. जब ये L shape में lines दोनों intersect करती हैं at a point 0, so this is the horizontal line and this is the vertical line. So horizontal line we call it as x-axis. X, put apostrophe comma, then axis, and the vertical line is called y-axis. When we arrange the bars on it, right, the rectangular bars on it, then it will become a bar chart, bar graph. Now, first of all, for example, I will not tell you how to arrange. First, I will tell you that this kind of bars, Have you seen somewhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Because of these bars we are
Yes,
drawing,
ma'am.
the name of this chart is bar graph. इस ग्राफ में हम bars draw करेंगे. That is why the name of this chart is bar graph. Now how to draw these bars? First of all, you should know that there should be important title of this bar graph का होना चाहिए. Horizontal axis, that is x-axis, vertical axis, that is y-axis. ये दो axis important है. Title important है. Title is about what? What is the title of this? Number of members in a family. The title is what? क्या information है हमारा? Number of members in a family. So the information which we have collect वही title होता है. Am I clear? What is the title? How to find the title? Title is the information which we have collected. We have collected the information about number of members in a family. That will be the title. If we collect the information about sports, that will be the title. If we collect the information about like the different flavors of the ice creams, so that will be the title. जो information हमने collect की है, that will be the title of that bar graph. Am I clear to you all? Yes. So when I write the title of this, number of members in a family. So after writing title, after putting this x-axis and y-axis, the third important thing is we have to put a scale. Now what is scale, you will ask? It starts from 0. Now in your maths book or in your graph notebook, you can see that there is a difference of 1 square that is equal to 1 centimeter. आफ्टर एक स्क्वायर बना हुआ है, उसके बाद दूसरा स्क्वायर है, दैट अनदर स्क्वायर है कि नहीं आपकी मैथ्स बुक में? आई विल ऑल्सो शो यू. वेट अ मिनट. You have this square notebooks with you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? You all have graph notebooks of you all, everyone, as I told you to bring in the class? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how to take the scaling on each? See, here in the bar graph, there should be a equal uniform gaps should be there. Uniform means same, equal gaps. जब आप scale लेंगे तो भी equal gaps पे scale होना चाहिए. Where here on the horizontal axis, when you put the names, now on the horizontal axis always the names will come, and on the vertical axis the numbers will come. The numerical information will come on the vertical axis. What will come on the vertical axis?
Numeric information.
Numerical information, the information which is given in numbers.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
No, you first have to understand this. Then I will show. Then you will slowly enjoy this, right?
Yeah.
So on the horizontal axis, we will take the names, and on the vertical axis, we will take the numerical information. So when we draw the bars on it, the bars will come horizontally. The bars will come
Horizontal.
yes. The bars will, we are going to draw the bars horizontally, and there are two types of bar graph: vertical bar graph also and the horizontal bar graph also. जब ऐसे bars बनेंगे, then and once you will find this type of bar graph also. When the bars are in this way, understood? So there are two different type of bar graphs. Wait a minute, I will present my screen and I will show you.
I hope you are all ready for the maths class. In today's class, we
See, a graph that uses bars of different lengths to compare the data. Can you see here the bars are there? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. When we compare these bars, there are two types of bar graphs. One is horizontal and one is vertical. When you draw the bars in sleeping way from this way, then it will be a horizontal, and when you draw the standing bar graph, it will be a vertical, because from horizontal to vertical it is going, because this line is vertical line and your bars are also in vertical shape. So this graph is the vertical bar graph, and this is your horizontal line. When you see the bars are is on the horizontal way, so this is also called the horizontal bar graph. There are two types of bar graphs. Am I clear with you all? Why they are called bar graphs? Because the information given in the rectangular bars. Go to the next now. What is important? Title is very, very important. As I told you how to put the title. The information which we have collected is related with the title. Then we have to put the labels. That is on the horizontal axis and on the vertical axis. For example, some children went to collected the flowers, right? So name information, as I told you, the numeric names will come on the horizontal axis and the numbers will come on the vertical axis. This will applicable on the vertical bar graph. Am I audible to everyone? Yeah.
Yes,
By looking at this, can you tell us who collected more flowers?
Sania.
Sania.
Sania, ma'am.
Because Sania collected how many flowers? Seven. Sania collected how many flowers? Seven. Simi collected how many flowers? Simi collected five. Suzanne collected how many flowers?
Four.
So who collected less flowers?
Susan.
Who collected more flowers? So by looking at this, it is easy for you to give the answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who are writing answers in the numbers, their answers. Please stop now. I'm going to close the chat box. Now go to the next one. Okay. This is a bar graph. We have number of trees. They have put a scale. Now how to put a scale, I will tell you this also. But just to read it out, that these are the types of the trees in the park. Okay. Write the answer in the chat box, whichever the question I will ask. I will open the chat box. Mute your mic, everyone, please. It's my request to everyone. Which type of tree is highest in the park? Are more, or we can say which type of trees are more in the park? By looking at this bar graph.
Maple.
Write in the chat box.
Maple.
This is maple or apple?
Maple.
What is maple?
I'll let you know. Which type of trees are less in numbers?
Pine.
Pine. So have you understood by looking at this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now please see here. Now the next table is given to us. different trees in the orchard. Now we have to make how. I will stop. Please mute your mic, everyone. Ayush, your mic is on. Now, whatever I have explained here on the board, I will come to that again. First, you understood how to read the bar graphs.
Yes.
Now we come to how to draw the bar graphs. As I told you, title is very, very important. And title will come on the basis of the information given to us. Clear? After title, we have to name the axis, that is horizontal axis and the vertical axis. After drawing both the lines, if I draw a bars like this, which type of bar graph is this? Write in the chat box. No one will unmute their mics. Write the answer in the chat box. Which type of bar graph is this? Write full answer. And I am expecting from everyone. Which type of Dhyan Dalal?
What, ma'am?
Give the answer. Please give the answer. I have drawn some bars and I am asking which type of bar graph is this? There, which type of bar graph is this?
Vertical.
Vertical bar graph. Okay. As we have learned, there are two types of bar graphs. Okay. So if I draw a bars in this way, which type of bar graph is this?
Horizontal.
Horizontal bar graph.
Which type of bar graph is this? Horizontal bar graph. In horizontal bar graph, the numbers are on the horizontal axis and the names are on the vertical axis. It will interchange. Ulta ho jayega. Am I clear to you all? When you draw a vertical bar graph, numbers are on the names are on the horizontal axis and numbers are on the vertical axis. So now right now the names are here. For example, Lamha, Nek, and Vihan. So the names are coming on the horizontal axis and the numbers will come here on the vertical axis. But when you draw the horizontal bars, it will change. The numbers will come on the horizontal axis and the names will come on the vertical axis. Lamha, Nek, Vihan. Am I clear to you all? Yahan tak clear hai everyone? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now come to our next. The bars which we draw should be uniform. What is the word uniform means? Should be of equal length and at the equal. As I told you, the width should be same. Why I told you the width should be same of the bars? Is anyone ready with the bars? Can you please show me? Yes, Rudra. Please show me the bars which I told you to bring in the class.
See.
One by one, show me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this is 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter, then 4. This red one is 4 centimeter. Sorry, 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 2 centimeter.
Okay, these are of the different lengths. But can you tell me why I told you the width should be same?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Because the uniform should be same that you explained.
So can you please show me the width?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the width of this? What you will call the width? This is the width.
Yes, ma'am. White.
Yeah. Can you please show me?
See.
Yes. So what uniformity you have taken in the width?
Ma'am, 1 centimeter.
Why only one? Is it only necessary to take the width 1 centimeter? Wait a minute,
No,
and wait.
no, ma'am.
It can be 2 also, it can be 3
Yes,
also,
ma'am.
but in all the bars it should be same. If you're taking 2 centimeter width, it should be same in all the bars. If you're taking 3 centimeter width, it should be same in all the bars. Am I clear to you all? Yes. Now, how to take the scaling? See, for taking the scaling on the vertical axis, I will see which is number is the smallest number in the information. Which is the smaller? 4. And which is the bigger number in the information?
12.
12.
12. I can also take 1, 2, 3, 4 from till 12 because my highest number is 12. If I take 1 unit, the scale, always we write the scale above the graph paper, right? Graph paper pe we write the scale. Scale means the measurement this we will take. If I take the scale is 1 unit equals to 1 centimeter, or 1 unit equals to how many people? 1 child.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it's compulsory to write 1 centimeter is equal to 100 on the y-axis because in the example 1 it is shown like that.
I will come on that next. Okay. For example, if I take a scale that 1 centimeter equals to 1 member, right? Because here we have taken the members. And now you will take what is 1 centimeter, ma'am? From 0 to 1 box, when you count in your graph notebook, it's the measurement is 1 centimeter. From this point, when you count 1 square, either in your maths notebook or in your graph notebook is 1 centimeter. So I will take this 1 centimeter as the 1 member. So I will write 1. Next 1 centimeter, I will take 2. Next third, I will take 3 members and 4. So on, I will take till 12 because my highest number is 12. Highest number is
12.
12 because I need to cover all the members, right? Understood this? How to put the scaling?
Yes, ma'am.
Please? Yes.
Ma'am, we can, if it is a big number like 50, so we have to take we can take 10 from starting.
Yes, that also, that's why I'm explaining, you know. If it is a small numbers, we start from 1 also. If it is a big number, how we find the scaling? Okay. So once you are done with the scaling, after scaling proper curly, you are done with the scaling like 4, then second square. Is anyone doing along with me?
I have to
Is
do
anyone
this.
yeah, if you can try to do along with me, then you will better understand it. Make a L shape. Right,
Yes,
this is x-axis.
Graph.
Yeah, in a graph notebook or in a math square notebook. Draw a sleeping line. This is called horizontal axis and put is x-axis. Draw a vertical line, put it y-axis. And on the intersecting point of these two, put a 0. From 0 to 1 square, that is of 1 centimeter, we count as at 1 unit as a 1 member. And please label the axis because on the y-axis you are writing the name of the persons. So, sorry, number of the, wait a minute, number of the members.
I'm going to write this. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes, Ayush. Kush is doing very good. Kush, wait.
I have made.
Yes, Kush, I will come to you.
I'm also doing.
Zero.
Very good.
Ma'am, 0 is the point, then one should be leaving a block or one should be direct up the block.
See, that is why I explained the uniformity. It's up to you. If you take a 1 centimeter gap, so in all the numbers, in all the scaling, there should be a 1 centimeter gap. If you are leaving 2 blocks and then writing the next number, then there should be a 2 block gap. Okay. So here the scaling I have taken 1 centimeter equal to 1 member. You can take by leaving 2 blocks also. Please mute your mic. If from 0, then you are leaving 2 blocks and then you are writing the 1 centimeter. So for the 2 centimeter also you have to leave the 2 blocks and write the next is 2 centimeter. This is called the uniformity. Means एक जैसा gap होना चाहिए. Am I clear, Ayush, now?
Got it.
Good. So children, please remember this number because I am going to erase this table. I don't have much space. Please remember the number members.
Ma'am, done.
For example, I have first drawn here horizontal axis, vertical axis, and I label it as x-axis, y-axis. Next is my topic is title. So I first have to write the title. Number of members in a family. Members in a family because it's related to the family members. So title, yes, this also. So this is the title, number of members in a family. Now, my next thing is on the horizontal axis, I will label what I am taking. On the horizontal axis, I will take names of the students.
Ma'am, where we have to write the name of the students?
On the horizontal axis.
Ma'am, it means on one line down.
Yeah, one line down. On the horizontal axis, name of the students. And on the vertical axis, write number of the members. After labeling them, now next is scaling. I am taking a scaling of 1 centimeter is equals to 1 member. Then start from 0, 1 centimeter block, mark it as 1. Next 2, the next 3, the next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Two numbers.
Okay. See, if I take 12 numbers, it is going to big. But it till 12, till 15, till 20, we can take as a single 1 centimeter also. But when the numbers are big, what to do? That also we will come on the next. See, now names were there, Lamha. Now from here starting, we leave 1 block. And then we write the name of the child, Lamha. Now here also there is each block is in 1 centimeter. Is in their notebook. Can you please see your notebook or the graph notebook? Each block is of 1 centimeter, right? Here also we will take a uniform gap. अगर मैं बास 2 centimeter की length breadth में बना रही हूँ, so I will take 2 centimeter. And then I leave 2 centimeter and then I take the another bar of 2 centimeter. This is called the uniformity. This is called the uniformity of the width. Means same width आपको लेनी है. Am I clear till now?
Yes, ma'am.
And don't start from the first block. Leave that first block. Use the second one. Lama, how many members you told in your family? 10.
I'm 12 members.
12. So I will take this line till the 12 and I take the 1 centimeter. There also you will have 1 centimeter block. Yes or no, children? You are doing along with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what?
Yes, ma'am.
When you reach to the 12, then also when you come to the width, take a width of 1 centimeter.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We have to stick these strips or draw?
Draw first. Draw strips one. We will do it later on. Okay.
Ma'am, what we have to draw till 12.
Yes. Because we have taken here 1 centimeter scale.
Ma'am, what is this written? Number of
members.
mappers.
Members. MEMBERS. Dare, you are doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please show till what you have done?
I'm just drawing.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can show.
Now see here. When you take a width of 1 centimeter, then come down, and it should come here till this is also the 1 centimeter.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ayush, you want to tell something?
yeah, ma'am. I don't have a bar graph or my notebook. These both the things my mother has, but my mother was gone and she's come and she's very tired, so she's sleeping. So I can't ask.
No
her.
problem. You do it later. Try to understand it. Okay. Kush Kapadia, we will come back to you. Now, next child was which child? Kiska liya tha? I have taken
Ma'am, Lakshya.
Lakshya. How many members were there? Lakshya, how many members in your family?
9.
9. So after leaving 1 centimeter gap, yes.
We have to leave 1 centimeter gap, then draw the another graph.
Yes, then draw the next bar, because either you can leave 1 centimeter or you can leave 2 also. If you are leaving 2 in the starting, for others also you can leave 2. This is called the uniformity, right? अगर पहले ही आपने 2 का छोड़ा है, 2 सेंटीमीटर का छोड़ा, तो बाकियों में भी आप 2 सेंटीमीटर ही छोड़ोगे. अगर आप 1 सेंटीमीटर का गैप छोड़ रहे हो, then for the next he Lakshya, then you write the name of the next child, Lakshya, and start a bar, and that you told how many members? 9 members. So this standing line will go till the 9 members. Please match it with the scale that you are going till 9. Then take a 1 centimeter square from here, come down. Done till here. Next child as
Yes, ma'am.
Vihan. Vihan, how many members?
10.
10. So here I leave 1 centimeter block here. Then I again go up till the 10. Till 10, and then again take the 1 centimeter square, and it will come down. And you come down, you can see here that you are exactly coming on the 1 centimeter width bar. So this width of the bar should be same. You have taken 1 centimeter, then every time with all the bars you should take 1 centimeter. If you are taking 2 centimeter width, then with all the bars you should take the 2 centimeter width. This you should keep in your mind. Okay? Am I clear till here? So now, after drawing these bars, 3 bars we have drawn, for example, because we don't have much space, so I will just end it here. Now, by drawing the bars,
I know, ma'am, I did one.
Ma'am, I did all.
very good if you have done whole. So by looking at these bars, just a minute. By looking at these bars, if I ask some questions related to it, will you able to give me the answer easily?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is having the highest number of members in his or her family?
Lamha.
Who is having the least number of members in her family?
Lakshya.
So, is the bar chart easy to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, you take any information. First of all, one by one, show me the sum which we have done. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes,
Ma'am.
good. I'm going to check
Ma'am, you
those
have
who have
seen
done.
mine?
Please show me Dharya.
Yeah.
Yes. Good. Now,
Ma'am.
guys, now what you do, you take any information, or wait a minute, I'll give you the information. Because I think you children have your, the bars which I told you to bring is of different length, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
you select any question that you have collected the information of the children, like ice cream, on the basis of the sports, on the basis of the subjects, any information you take, and now draw a bar graph by sticking the bars which you have prepared. आप लोगों ने बनाई? Please stop now, Farzan.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, Arnav. Children, like this, as I told you, as I told you to bring the bars. Can you please show me one by one?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
See,
can
I have also
Ma'am,
prepared some bars. I have
Ma'am,
also
see.
prepared some bars. Yes,
Ma'am,
very
see.
good. Yes.
And this is
Now,
6 centimeter. This is 3
see,
centimeter.
I have also prepared some different bars. If I
This is 1
arrange them,
centimeter.
if I arrange them in any information, if I want to represent with the help of these bars, will I able to do it? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you
Yes, ma'am.
please, can you please, children, frame your own question, and please draw this by sticking the bars in your notebook. Take any question, any information, frame it by your own, or you can write in the chat box also. Or you can write it in the chat box also, and please start doing in your notebooks. Once you finish, you please show it to me also.
Can I write in chat box?
In chat box and in notebook also, I want to see your bar graph. Everyone's bar graph I want to see. Information also you collect. Question also you please prepare. Wait a minute, children.
Ma'am, are you going to send a worksheet on this? Okay, bye, ma'am. Bye. Ma'am, we can take any information.
Yes, yes, on the basis of any information, but it should be like if you're talking about that roses or the flowers, then it should be only about the information about only
Ma'am,
flowers.
can I take about games?
Yeah, then it should only about the games.
Ma'am, can I take about books?
Yes, yes, about books you can take, about the subjects you can take, about the food you can take, about the fruits you can take, any information you take and draw a bar graph. Devyosha, why you are sitting? You are not prepared for the class today? You are not audible to me. Your mic is off. And please change this background screen. And I want to see. Please do it, and I will pin you. And once you are done, you please show me. You only draw the bar graph. You don't write the question full. And then you will explain me that, ma'am, I have done on the basis of this.
Ma'am, we have to.
Catherine, ma'am, thank you.
Draw.
Yes, ma'am. Bye.
My dear, you draw the horizontal axis and vertical axis, but the bars you can stick. Vertical axis and horizontal axis you will draw, no? Then only you will able to stick the bars.
Is this okay like this?
Let me see. And children, those who don't have the vase,
Ma'am.
okay, this is the table you are making first, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm making table. First,
I
I'm
will
taking
pin
information.
Jishna. Jishna, she has done. Very good, Jishna. Jishna, you have collected favorite fruit. Excellent. So, how many? Can you all pin Jishna and she will answer the questions. Jishna, which all the different fruits you have taken? First is yellow color is showing which fruit?
First, yellow color is apple.
Hmm.
Then light blue color is banana.
Hmm.
Green color is mango.
Hmm.
Dark blue color is strawberry.
Hmm.
And red color is guava.
Very good. So by looking at this graph, can you tell me which is fruit liked by the most of the students?
Green mango.
Most I am using what, Jishna? Most means more number of children, more number of people.
6.
So which fruit is this?
Mango.
Green one is the mango?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And how many people like the mango?
It's 6 people.
6 people. If I'm asking about the number, then you write the number. If I'm asking which fruit is asking, then you write the fruit name. Am I clear?
Yes.
So please pay attention when you answer the following questions.
Yes. Ma'am,
Very good, Jishna. Excellent.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, see, I have taken information.
Information is taken, but draw the bar graph now. Make that show me.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, I was asking. I had a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, we have to make our own question, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am, I haven't made one yet.
Please fast. Is there any other class after my class today?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Please, children, fast.
Ma'am, but I didn't have a book of graph. So I printed
You can use,
but now I don't have space in it.
so you can use the plain paper also. Plain white paper also you can use. You can use.
Please, you could send a folder. I could send in it, or I could directly send you in Gmail today because.
No, I will put the folder. Then you will send.
Yes, ma'am. So
And I will put today's worksheet. There you can send me this also.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm expecting from everyone to do like Jishna has done. Rudra, you are doing? Very good.
Ma'am, I don't have strips. So, ma'am, can I draw?
Yeah, you can draw and color it also.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have made already.
Yeah, please, there is show.
Ma'am, I also.
Very good. There, please hold it properly so that it will be visible. Yes. Yes, there, I will remind you one thing if I'm not wrong. The gap between these bars is not same. Can you please check it again?
Ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
The gap is not same. There should be a same gap between these. Yes, show me Rudra. Rudra, but you have drawn these bars so far. Why?
Ma'am, ma'am, because it's taking place of names.
No, but then you write the names in the standing line.
Is same only, but there is one color which is light. That's why you are thinking it is
Wait,
1 centimeter. Actually, it is, but you cannot see.
I will pin you again. Wait a minute. Rudra, your
Yes.
gap is not same.
Ma'am means I have to do the names down.
Yes, you can do the names in the standing with Rudra. Yes, there is show me.
Change because it is strict.
You take the another strips. You have many strips, no, with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I have only two more.
Rudra, wait now. Let me ask. Yes, can you please explain me what you have done there?
Yeah. So this red
First of all,
one is
show
about
me the
monkey
Show me the title of your graph.
The title is number of the children like which animal in zoo.
So number of animals in a zoo, right? Okay.
Yeah. So
Then,
this red one is about monkey and monkey 8 children like.
okay.
Now
How
there
many?
is next
8 children. Let
lion.
me see. Wait a minute. Let me see. Is it exactly 8?
Not
Yes.
exactly because I could not make properly a little.
So then you cannot tell that this is exactly 8. So what you do, either you cut the strip till mark it at 8. Yes, till 8 only you have to take, because this is little going up. So
Okay, ma'am.
we cannot say the exact 8
Yeah,
are there. We
I
can,
will do that.
then we can count these small boxes also, and then the number of the members will increase.
Ma'am, it
Okay.
is 8.1.
I'm done.
It's 8.1.
8.1,
Ma'am,
so
it's
we call it an
8.1.
8.1, it is coming, no? So either you make it exactly 8. Okay.
Yeah.
Now next
Then
is
next is
Ma'am, can I?
lion.
I'm done.
Lama,
So
wait. Lama,
five
wait.
children,
Hmm.
5 children like lion,
Okay.
and the lion is exit 5.
They like, or the number of the animals in the zoo?
The people of children they like animals.
Okay. Next is, how many
Zebra.
children
So
like?
zebra 11 and it's 11.1 near.
Hmm.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Then next come dog. So 14 people like dogs.
Okay. Next is,
Ma'am.
And
Ma'am, can I show?
cat.
my
So
dear, if one child is explaining, you please be quiet.
11.
So by looking
People
at
like
this
cat
bar,
11.
okay, there. By looking at this bar graph, can you tell me which animal is like by most of the students, most of the children?
Dog.
Which animal is liked by least of the students or less students?
Lion.
Lion. Okay. Which animal liked by 8 students?
8 students is monkey.
Monkey. So by looking at this bar graph, is it easy to give the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Try more like this at your home.
Ma'am, can
Don't
I
worry.
say? Ma'am, can
Lamha.
I?
Lamha.
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes.
So, ma'am, my title
Lama,
is
wait.
about.
Lama, wait. First of all, your numbers on this y-axis are not on the same scale, and your gaps in between the bars are also not on the same scale gap, because we can see that here you have first you have left one. Please leave the 1 centimeter exactly, because this
Is
uniformity,
this okay, ma'am?
your uniformity of the bars is not same. Please check
Okay, ma'am.
and do it again. Yes, show
Ma'am,
me.
is this
Yes,
paragraph
ma'am.
okay?
Ma'am,
No, there
my
the bar graph has no. Sorry, Vivan. The bar graph has no horizontal axis and no vertical axis. Then how is it possible to draw a bar graph?
ma'am, can I start?
Lama, wait. You please do correction and then I'll come back to you.
Ma'am, done,
Now,
ma'am.
next who has done?
Ma'am, Rudra. Ma'am,
Yes,
Rudra Mangu.
yes,
Yeah.
Rudra. Please tell me.
Ma'am, see, I have
Yes,
done 1 centimeter now.
yes. Now tell me how. Which title of your bar graph is?
Ma'am, title of my bar graph is number of books in store. In
Okay, like
bookstore.
in library or in bookstore,
Huh.
right? Okay, which books are
And
there?
the scale is 1 centimeter is equal to one book.
Okay, very good. Now please show me.
Ma'am, see there are bars.
There are bars. Okay, good. So 1 centimeter equals to one book. So you
Yes, ma'am.
please show me with your bars that which book is representing which color bar.
Ma'am, golden color is representing math book. Then
Why from the top your bars are cutted like this way
ma'am, because
slanted?
I means it was stick now.
Hmm.
I took it, so it happened like that.
But you do one thing, make it equal from the top also.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Then only you will easily give the answer that how many members, how many meters, and how many centimeters. Yes, this I.
Ma'am, my topic is
Please show me. Take your notebook up and show me. Okay, good. Very good.
that I don't
Yeah.
have color.
No problem, no problem. Very good. Nicely you have done.
My topic is cars.
Yes.
First, the Lamborghini has
Hmm.
80 centimeters.
Okay. No, but we cannot tell is that 80 centimeter. You tell that 80 people like this car or like this. Yes.
Yeah, 80 people like this car.
Okay. Then next is
Then Ferrari,
how many people like the Ferrari?
50.
50. Then
Sian,
okay.
Bugatti,
Then
BMW.
okay. Can you please show us like on the basis of this bar graph? Yes. On the basis of this bar graph, can you tell me which type of the car or which model of the car is liked by most of the people? Most means ज़्यादा किसने पसंद करी?
Ma'am, Sian.
By yes.
Lamborghini Sian.
Okay. Which next is which is liked by least number of people? Which model is liked by least number of people?
Ma'am, Bugatti.
Very good. How many people like Bugatti?
Ma'am, 30.
Very good. So by looking at the bar graph, is it easy to give the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes. Wait a minute.